friends again. Yay! And I have the special guest again from what, last week?
Yes.
So it's pretty much like a girls' night again. Today is Saturday. And today we have a seafood boil.
Woo!
Look at this.
Yes.
Looks so good. The preparation was crazy, but I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to pray over the food and we're going to get started. Lord, thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Let it be nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. Okay, so what do we have? We have some fried fish. We have some potatoes, Idaho and sweet potato. We have some hot links. We have some crab legs, some corn, some mussels, and some shrimp. So I'm going to move this up a little bit so you guys can see it.
Yes. Sweet potatoes.
There you go. Yes. So
Sausages.
good. And then, this is the grand finale. We have some beloved sauce. It might not be just like, you know, it might not be point on, but it's still good. I tried, so.
But it's the munch with mince de la creme.
No, this is actually the beloved. I was trying to do the beloved sauce. But it is what it is. But it's going to be good either way. So we're going to get started. Oh, we have a little bit of wine today. Pinot Grigio. And you have like champagne. So.
Alright. Ooh, it's always that first one.
Yes. So let's get it in. Alright. Let's see.
We're going to start
with
first.
Sausages.
The sausages? And the sauce. Let me see.
Fry it up.
Wow. Oh, this is good.
Oh yeah.
There's garlic in this? It's spicy? It's kind of like a
the
spice.
sausage have a spice too.
It tastes kind of hot. But it's good.
Got the potatoes here.
Let's see.
Mix it all the way down at the bottom.
Like this? Wait, that's in there.
The season is at the bottom, most of the season.
Oh. That's just like the onion. It's like a caramelized onion kind of. Like.
Good.
Ooh, shrimp. Yes, the shrimps. I caught it. Yay!
Oh, good.
That's shrimp. This is really good. I find like I get down to the shrimps. Like, do you take all this off? Like all of the skin? Actually, you know this one, not the skin, the shell. I open the shell. You ate it like that?
You have to
Wait a minute.
hold down the shell. Potatoes. That
almost dropped the sauce, girl. Good. You know what I taste? I taste like garlic. I taste the butter, and I taste like herbal, like a little bit, like a, I don't know, like a.
Yeah, there's so many different seasonings.
Yeah, it's like so many like good seasonings in there. All right. So, what made you come up with the idea of having a seafood? Like, seafood is like the all-time of all times. Like, everybody loves seafood.
Stuff in here.
Was like,
I know like seafood boils are very popular for mukbangers, and I've been doing it myself, like even off camera. Like whenever I see someone doing a seafood mukbang, it looks so good. And who doesn't like seafood? So
yeah,
I was just like, why not? You know. Got a mussel here.
All right, I got it.
Put some lemon juice. I like lemon juice on mine.
I caught that great onion, that caramelized onion in there.
Good.
All right, let's see. Now, mussels are like awesome. But what did I say to you earlier? I said
you didn't know what the difference was.
I didn't know the difference between clams, oysters, and mussels were. So I was like, is these the things that's on the beach?
Yes. When we're here, we see like a lot of they're probably like baby mussels or something.
Like, I always got these confused with mussels. Dip it in the. That's cool. It's pretty good.
You like lemon juice on yours?
It's kind of like still kind of like new to me. I was like, I really don't eat these like that.
Okay.
But it's good. I'll try it. Let me see.
It's good with the lemon juice.
So just do it.
Dip it in the butter.
Oh.
And then put some lemon juice on it.
Okay.
It's good.
What's going on? What? Okay.
It's good.
Very good. Woo! Whoa, that was good. You ever had like the Sour Patch thing? That's what this was really quick. Cause like, what's going on?
This. We gotta move this plate over some.
All right. Oh, wait a minute, go. Crab legs all day. What's going on? All right.
This is good.
Oh man, I'm never doing right. Alright.
We were supposed to do the mukbang yesterday, but I was so tired.
Me too.
It's like, let's just do it.
I was like super green.
This is so good. Like, this is like smack worthy. Look at this. Just look at that. Sorry. Might be disgusting.
See, now when it comes to, I want, yes. Is that with the lemon?
Everything.
I might actually put lemon on.
So good.
One thing about me, like, I can never, when I crack the crab legs, I crack them and I'm like, yeah, I'm doing a great job. Like, it's getting cracked. Like, it's it. And I crack it completely wrong. Like, I crack the neck and it's done. If nothing comes out, like, I do it super. Let's see. I like to dip my meat in the. Oh, you like this? Wait.
It took me a long time to. Learn how to properly open up a crab.
Okay. Without the clampers, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. I ain't doing it.
That's the good part.
Alright, let's see if I don't poke my eye out. Let's see. I don't think I do that. How do you do this?
Nice little piece of meat
Weird.
there.
I'm gonna have to go to the dentist. My joints ain't kicking yet.
Mm-hmm.
What the? Look.
This is the best part. This is how you do it. Break these apart like this. Juicy.
Alright, I got. Okay.
Nice to season it.
Oh, you're right. That is like the brink of the meat there.
It's a lot of meat in there. Seafood.
There you go. It's mad crab leg. Oh, you know I like to just dump all like the meat in there.
If you're trying to be cute, don't eat crab legs.
Yeah, because it's not gonna work, bro.
Or seafood in general.
It's not gonna work. Just tear it apart. You on a date? Just say I'm sorry. In fact, you're not sorry because y'all both eating seafood, so it doesn't matter. Okay.
Got a little spice in my throat.
I'm gonna dump all the meat in there. I'm gonna take some of the fried. This is the fried.
You want some tartar sauce or something?
No, I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. I see what's going on. Right? Look. Let's see.
Yes, rocket.
Look, let me say something. Wow. Wow. I think you should have with the fried. You should just like dip the fried.
And the butter?
The fried fish into the sauce. The texture is a little bit different, right? Look.
It's crunchy. I like it. Put some lemon on here. This is banging. This is so good.
I know, like, cause we're like,
this is so good. Rockin'.
I know it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So good.
I got a little sugar on myself.
It's good.
Oh no. Well, whatever. I dipped it off in the whole thing.
Rocket.
Literally.
I don't know, people call this the knuckle. I don't know what they call it. But they have a lot of meat in here. On this part.
Tell me what was your, I know we talked about why you wanted to make the seafood video, but what was your first seafood experience? Like, why, like, there's always a story behind every food. I'll tell you the most influential story. I had to think about that because I like it's a lot. Because I love seafood, and there's so many foods that I like, right? I want you to go first.
I remember back in the day, my family used to have a fish fry, and I don't know if it was like during holidays or what, but I remember the fish fry. And that was my first time tasting butter lemon sauce.
Butter lemon sauce?
That's my first time. Like butter with lemon. Together on the fish. So good. So I think that's my first time. My first memory of mom. So I'm like, okay. This is what it is. So good, guys.
I think mine was when I was younger, a long time ago. And you know how like church, yes, you know how churches have like after your church, after like church, you have like food gatherings. You go to either each other's houses, or you either go to a restaurant to eat for Sunday dinner. So we would go to this buffet. I don't know. Remember, it was called Stacy's Buffet. You remember that? It was in Brick. It was called Stacy's Buffet, and we would go there all the time. And me being younger, like I just was always like, if you say, "Oh, you can eat," that means I get like 3 plates and I get yelled at, right? Like overeating is not like no. But I had like at the buffet, I was like, listen. This is I'm gonna get all the foods that I never see ever. Like they had so much. As a matter of fact, it wasn't a regular buffet place. It was a Chinese buffet place. But they had macaroni and cheese. They had chicken. They had collard greens, and they had all this type of stuff. But they had crab legs.
I remember the Old Country buffet, but I don't remember it being crab legs there.
I remember. Was it the Old Country buffet? What was it called? What's it? The one in Brick, right? I don't remember. But that one, I remember they had crab legs there, and only 2 things I remember getting was crab legs and macaroni and cheese. Crab legs and macaroni and cheese, and that was like my go-to foods like for a long time. Crab legs is like you never get full off of crab legs. Like you just eat them endlessly, and like you never get full. I think seafood in general, because it's so light. Unless you're eating like heavy stuff with it, but this is like
Good.
This corn is great. This is sweet corn? I'm like, why is it so good? It's like a fruit.
Extra sweet. It's extra sweet corn. I should have just made nothing but the sweet potato.
For real?
But there's Idaho in there too. The sweet potato tastes awesome.
Did you get another piece? Like this? Okay.
What?
The,
Fish? There. And the other one down there.
Here. I got it right. Hey. So what was your favorite 90s song? I think over there.
Favorite 90s song? Don't judge me. The thong song.
You're right? No. First of all, let me hold up. I gotta wipe my hands for this. And I gotta drink this real quick. First of all, that's like us hearing that when we was kids. It's like hearing ooh 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 do 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 do. Tiger.
That's Tiger song?
Yes.
I don't know.
Girl. First of all, the thong song was lit. We had no business listening to the thong song, but guess what? Nobody cared. Because it was lit. Yeah, we wish it was just music. So, Cisco was lit.
Oh, should come out.
Look.
No, we used to make. Me and the neighborhood friends used to make dances up to like 3OW.
You do or you don't. You don't. You feel or you
Excuse me.
won't. No more.
Excuse me.
No more. Baby, I'ma do right. You can't when you me. Alright. I'm getting a little tired of your pocket. Promises. I like Keelan. I liked her. She was lit. And they try to play her. Like, come on. They try to play her like, come on, stop.
Yeah. I loved it.
I loved Ideal. Remember that song? I don't even remember. It was a hitting song that nobody knew about. And it was like whatever you wanna do, I wanna rock with you, it's up to you, I wanna rock with you, whatever you tonight.
I don't remember.
That was one of, you know what?
Aw, breaking guys.
Prosecco on the move. Okay, first of all, let's talk about apple bottom jeans. She had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the furs. Yo. First of all, there is a store at our mall a long time ago, and before, if you're from around this area, you knew there was a store called Against All Odds, right? Mm-hmm. That was the only store that sold hip hop clothing, and they had that store, and they had also Epic. Epic was too much money. They had like baby fat shirts for like $120.
Yeah.
Like, no sir. Are we like getting like, come on, we got these potatoes are lit. Yeah. Anyway. Man, you had some apple bottom jeans.
I don't remember.
You did. I had the red ones and you had the blue ones.
I know I had some Fat Farm.
Oh.
Fat Farm.
We went to Mussels Park.
Oh.
What the?
Guys, when I tell you, it looks so good. I'm gonna taste so good with the sauce, the corn.
That was a good one. The claw, like you said, it had a lot of meat. You know what I love? What do you like going out to eat? They don't have authentic meat like this, like seafood. Like how you make your seafood is truly the essence of how you want your seafood made. Like going out to eat, they don't make it. It's different.
I'm glad I wore the shirt. Because of the butter.
You got a new shirt?
Yeah. I know, you gotta make the seafood how you
They
want
don't
it
make
to
it
taste.
the same because everything's a microwave. That's the secret. I used to work somewhere as a hostess, and they microwave all the food. Just saying. I think you get fresh broccoli or not. Get packaged broccoli, bro. You order crab legs from a restaurant? It's not crab legs. It's crab legs.
You said it's crab leg?
Crab legs. I mean, it's real crab legs, but it's not. It's not fresh.
So good.
I'm still trying to break all my meat together so I can do this.
What in the world?
Got more meat there?
You always ate your crab leg like that. I thought you always eat your crab legs like that. Like you break it all off.
Yeah, cause this is it's just cause it annoys me. I can't get it together. I'm like, please. Why? Look at all the meat in the club. Look at all the meat in the club. Sorry. Oh. 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 It's a family channel. I mean,
Oh my goodness.
I mean, you know, I feel like Juicy J for 6 months.
Oh god.
Yo, I can't. Oh man, but this is the best part. See, I just dump all my meat.
Everything is seasoned nicely too. It's good.
I just Terry.
You really are. Is it hot?
No, I'm laughing. Oh man.
Oh, you got butter in it too.
I know. Let them know we're now.
Excuse me.
Wait, I can watch this stuff.
I have shout.
You know you make.
I have some shout. Got butter.
You know what I hate is when I get fed up about the meat and I'm like, I can't get nothing else out. Let me tell you about this. Now we're going back to the story of like making food at home, which is rich of the essence. Like this is good food. Like seriously, we need to open up our own. Mary needs to open her own business. Okay?
No.
No, listen. I went to
Cooking food is not my forte.
Listen, I'm just gonna say this. I went to No's Lab Sack. I went to No's Lab Sack. We're not gonna say the name. I went to No's Lab Sack, and I ordered. The first time I went there, ordered some snow crab. It was like $30. They gave me like 3 legs with.
They went out of business.
I know they did.
Out here.
And I was like, what is up? Like,
I wish we had. I wish we had like the real seafood spots, like how they do in the
ooh,
South.
ooh, when I tell you about this, when I went to Baltimore, ooh, went to Phillips, lit, great, all you can eat seafood for days. Good.
I think our school went on a trip there.
Yeah, we did.
I didn't go.
You did?
Oh, look, gospel choir, I think.
Went to gospel choir. And then we also went to the college.
Mm.
Oh my God. I feel like it makes them. Wait, I don't want to make too much stuff. Too much sauce. Too much sauce.
Mm. I was do this weeks ago. Never got a chance.
Seafood.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Never.
Oh.
Leave it alone.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Sorry. I thought it was. See, look, it's matter of fact, I'm gonna put all the little crabs, like this, like crayons. Look, like this. Look. Somebody like, why is she playing with her food? Because I'm gonna put all the crayons legs together on the side that I cannot chip away and open, so I can eat them later. It's annoying. Oh. Oh, I forgot about these. Here.
Mm.
Woo. That's some really good sauce.
That beloved.
Beloved sauce is no joke.
She definitely can make
This
so
is
much
really
money.
good. Woo! Yes.
Excuse me. She can make so
What's
much
the
money.
secret ingredient? Because you didn't really show me any of. Are you trying to tell us what's the secret ingredient?
Guys, just follow her video
Oh, okay.
and she'll tell you the sauce. I know most of it is butter.
Yeah, butter is like the base, but the seasonings that's what she added into there. Like that was like the most the most beneficial part.
She'll tell you all the seasonings that she put in there.
Woo! Look at that. Wow, see? I'm wasting. Wasting meat. You want to see what my plate look like? This will look like a mess. Trying to figure out, trying to sort food out. Trying to psychologically analyze my plate. I ain't doing right. I'm trying to keep the mess from the stuff that I'm going to eat later.
Out. Please.
So,
Nope. Want it all to come out. Delicious. Delicious. I hope you guys, I don't know if you guys can hear the music or not. Hope not. But
the mussels.
should have brought those Dasani drinks to the table.
You know what's so funny? I thought I wasn't gonna like these mussels. And they're great. Like, I've had them before, but did you season them? That's why. I had them before and they were not seasoned, like when I had them somewhere else. Like, but these are good.
Excuse me.
You want the drinks? You want to get it or no?
Oh, wait. Some people be
concentrate
leaving it in there.
Cause I was that person. I was known like
I dropped the potato.
I was that person known like you're leaving me in the thing, in the crab, in the leg.
One piece of fish.
That's how you know it's spicy, cause we like it's winter time out here. We like.
Hot link sausage.
Oh wow, you right. Got my sauce. Oh wow. Wow. Let's get into some things. Okay? Sweet potatoes.
It's good.
Right.
Better than the other ones. Better than other potatoes.
Woo! Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
That would have been a disaster.
I know, right? No.
Oh, spicy.
Are you ready for the fried challenge? Ooh, it's hot. What is going? Is it too hot? Spicy? Ooh.
There's some cayenne pepper in there.
Oh no. Oh.
It's delicious. Did you taste it with the lemon juice? Taste it with some lemon juice. Just lock in with the lemon juice. And the butter too.
And then like this. See all this extra stuff, like all this crab in here. I added extra because I broke the crab down into my saucepan here. I got extra flavor.
What is that? Pesto? What's it again? What is it called?
Prosecco.
Oh, Prosecco.
The Dom Perignon of champagne. Woo. You know my face look like this. Full but satisfied. That's the thing. When you have seafood, it's like you're full, but you're not full. You're not full enough. But you can still keep going. Like you're full, but it's not too bad.
You can do the Bobby. What is it? What is it called?
What?
What's it called? That dance?
The Shredder? I mean the Bobby Shredder?
Well, yeah, this is you can do the Bobby.
Yo, why am I doing it? She need to better that.
Yeah, you can do it to anything.
That. I want to say, Mims, this is wow. Wow. This is business card ready. This is awesome. Meaning I enjoy this meal.
This is good.
This is so good. Like I've never had a seafood meal like this in my entire life. Like I actually never. This is. Wait, is this your first broil? This is my first broil.
On Mukbang? Yes.
Wow.
But not off camera.
Well, I am. Whew. Wait, one. It's the mindset. Wait. Oh, I still didn't do it right. Oh, man. What the? It's not good. It's freaking. I don't want to break it. Oh, man.
You gotta have corn on the cob with your seafood boil.
Yeah, corn on the cob is the best.
I'm gonna mix everything.
That was great corn. I've never had sweet corn like I've had sweet corn. You said that's extra sweet corn?
Yeah, it's called extra sweet.
I got the shell.
You didn't get the whole thing?
Yeah. Because there's no other way. I'm eating the shell, y'all. Like sunflower seeds.
I'm full. I am full.
You are?
Yes. I'm gonna eat one more mussel. I'm done after that. Oh, good. Last one.
Oh, my goodness.
And probably another potato. Small potato though.
I am so
Excuse me.
set on Ricky's crab legs.
I haven't eaten my fish.
That was so good. I think I was like about to. I don't know. That was with that sauce. Oh my goodness.
With some lemon.
Wow. Wow. The shrimps are always here.
Some onions in here. This was a lot. I forgot to do a thumbnail.
Wow.
It's a lot of food.
Wow.
This
This
is
is
good.
really. This is really what this page is about. What I'm trying to say is that I love my friend.
Aw, love you too.
That's what I really.
Butterfingers and all.
Mother. Anybody see Scary Movie? Mother.
Thank you for tuning in, okay? And until next week, please subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. I need as much support as I can get. And thank you. I'll see you next week.